we're not done yet. Bawal pa umuwi. Mika, ito para sa'yo. Napaka-competitive ng pinasok nating buhay. How do you handle competition?
For us, I think we handle competition in a healthy way naman. We take the competition and we use that as motivation for us to do even better. But we don't want to bring them down through that competition, you know. For the other groups or different artists, we really want to support them. We support OPM and we hope that OPM rises all together, not just us.
Sa inyong 8, nagtitinginan ba kayo? I mean, do you have that healthy competition among the 8 among yourselves?
I think before it was a competition talaga kasi hindi pa final yung lineup, may tanggalan. Pero ngayon parang feeling ko competition in a way na we all want to improve. We don't want to be stagnant in what we're doing. So lahat po kami willing to improve, willing to be better. So I think we all motivate each other in doing better in what we release.
Okay. Stacey, meron ba kayong competition with SB19?
Oh my gosh, the answer is no po. Hindi po talaga namin sila nakikita as our kalaban-kalaban ganun. Kasi yung friendship po namin on and off cam sobrang genuine po and talagang sineselebrate po namin yung pag-angat ng OPM together.
Oh. Stacey, sa SB19, ilang members sila?
5.
Kung may tatanggalin kang isa, sino? That's a joke! That's a joke! Sabi ni Stacey, Okay. Para sa inyong lahat, ano ang hinahanap ng isang bini sa isang Ginoo? Parang huminga.
From there.
Oo, sige nga. From you, Sheena. From the bunso.
For me, God-centered guy.
Importante yon.
Yes.
Di ba? Ay, ikaw.
God-fearing din po. Tsaka adventurous and family-oriented.
Ano na? Gwen.
Family-oriented and gentleman.
Stacey.
Ako po funny and gentleman po.
Talaga naman. Mika.
Mali. Wait. Secure and funny.
Colette.
Family-oriented po.
Okay.
God-fearing,
Maloy.
family-oriented, tsaka may pangarap sa buhay.
Importante yun. Joanna.
Same po, God-fearing and may respeto sa family ko po.
Oo. Ako lang yatang naghahanap ng mayaman. I'm sorry. Okay. Kanina, in-address na ni Maloy yung the controversy. It was a controversy that was linking you to Rico Blanco. Did you get a chance to talk to him after that?
Hindi na po. Pero siguro, yung last na pag-usapan namin, gusto niyang bumili ng merch po ng Bini. Yun na lang po. Hindi na po namin in-address yung issue about that.
Okay. Alright. Ang importante lang na-address, hindi totoo, let's move on. Okay. Aya, ikaw naman daw, ay dinidikit ang iyong ang pangalan ni Jack Roberto sa'yo. Where is this coming from? Is it true? Yes or no? We want to hear your story.
Ang random niyo po.
Random yun?
Ang random po kasi, well... yes, that photo. So that was the very first time na I met him and I didn't even know na he would be there. Kasi my friend, may kasama po ako dyan, si Gabo. And then he was the one who hosted and they're friends. So yun po, it was the very first time I met him and we didn't get to hang out after. Yun lang po. And then because of the photo, they thought him and I or something or nag-uusap po kami, but no po.
Kailangan talaga maingat, no? Yung leksyon din to sa amin ng mga fans na hindi lahat ng ating nakikita, yun ang ibig sabihin. What seems is not always what is. Di ba? Kailangan what is the word? Mapanuri. Ayun, ang ganda naman nun. Dapat mapanuri talaga tayo. Not just for the sake of the world, but also for our own sanity.